This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels. First, gather your ingredients: 500 grams of high-protein flour, 10 grams of salt, and 5 grams of instant yeast. Next, add 300 milliliters of warm water and 10 grams of malt syrup to the dry ingredients. Mix everything thoroughly until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour. After your dough has risen, gently divide it into 8 equal pieces, aiming for about 100 grams each. Take each piece and roll it into a tight, smooth ball. Next, use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center of each ball, then gently stretch the hole to about 1 inch in diameter. Arrange your shaped bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Allow them to proof at room temperature for 30 minutes before refrigerating overnight. Now it's time for the crucial boiling step. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with a baking stone inside. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of malt syrup. Carefully drop the bagels into the boiling water, cooking them for 1 minute on each side. Remove them with a slotted spoon, drain briefly, and place them back on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Sprinkle with your favorite toppings, then bake for 18 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Once your bagels emerge from the oven, golden and fragrant, the hardest part is waiting. Transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool completely. This step is essential for the texture to set properly. Once cooled, slice them open and enjoy with your favorite cream cheese, butter, or any topping you desire. They're perfect for breakfast or a snack. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.